How to fix Snapchat lag on Poco M8. Let's start the video first of all. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, click power button and volume up button and restart phone. After restart, you will see your problem is solved. So if it not solved, so free up some space. After free up some space, you will see your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so uninstall Snapchat app. After uninstall, again reinstall Snapchat app from Play Store. After reinstall, you will see your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, so click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Additional Settings. After click on Additional Settings, click on Developer option. After click on Developer option, scroll down and search Media RMS. So you will see Media DRM is here. So you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Snapchat lag on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.